That is right, ladies and gentlemen. It is you, it is me, it is NBWD, it is me, Dave Canning, along with Jacob Haynes. And as you can see, we are making great progress here in our new showroom. Where is our new showroom? We can't tell you just yet. That's right, because it's still the biggest mystery of the year, and it's only March, so it's an exciting time to be involved with New Beginnings Window and Doors. So Jacob, what have we got going on so far here?
We got walls being built, we got entrances, the offices, we got frames for our new displays that are be going in.
Right.
Got lots of stuff going on.
Yes, we are currently in Jacob's office, and there will be walls. We're not going to make him look like he's in prison all day, although he deserves to be in timeout from time to time. But, so as soon as we break Jacob out of jail, we here at New Beginnings Window and Door want to remind you that you need to begin your day
with a beautiful view.
We will see you very soon with another update in our new showroom.